Hey guys, Pemit here. So today I'm gonna go in to and try and do something from a movie called Encino Man. It's called Wheezing the Juice. Let's see how it goes. So that was a fantastic experience. I'm so glad I said yes to that. Even got one there. Yeah, Encino Man was a great film. I saw it when I was like 10 or 11. You know, it's great that I'm referencing a film from the early 90s. That scene in particular with Brendan Fraser and Pauly Shore is one that sticks in my mind. So, you know, after all these years, gave it a shot. Again, I'm so glad I said yes to that. So guys, say yes to something new.